Welcome back everyone, Legend here. I hope you enjoyed the last video of Shadow the Hedgehog. So we're back today with Shadow. We need to find the Chaos Emerald. Let's go!
I don't remember this place.
Da da da. Spin me right through, right through. Whee! Perfect.
Hey, Shadow. You saw him too, didn't you? Those black creatures floating around here? Time to clean house and do a little exterminating. Alright, that's it.
Where's the gun? Yeah, the gun.
Behind you. Aha! Not as tough as try going down.
What?
Targets confirmed inside ruin. Ready kid to sight it.
Looks like those little things are aliens too. Guess that means they're fair game.
Time to go. Whee!
Ow! We're being sucked in!
Wait, Shadow. Next, we must find the jewel that is key to the awakening of our temple and release its power. Failure is not an option. Damn it now. Go.
Ow.
Are you surprised at the statue? Touch the jewel and our first temple has awakened. Can you not feel that shockwave?
How many of these monsters are there?
Everywhere.
This is for my friends.
Which friend?
Good going.
Time to go.
Make sure the boulders swept up in the whirlwind don't hit
Ow.
you.
Woohoo! Time to go do
The
that.
pillar's rolling this way.
Ow.
Help!
Time to
We're
go
being
up.
sucked in.
Oh yeah.
Aha! Use the sea stick to look around. Those small worms act like homing missiles. Watch out!
Unleash the jewel's power before the humans get to fire our temple. Touch the jewel. Another ancient temple has been brought back to life.
See ya. Time to go. Chaos control. Oh yeah. Gonna go fast.
Make the humans suffer.
We gotta stop those aliens and get the emerald back. Not as tough as they look, are they?
That was a bad aim. Eat.
Hurry, Shadow. Do not let the humans get ahead of you. Touch the jewel and release the power within. The third power has been activated. The vibrations shifting the temple are getting stronger.
Oh yeah. Time to go for another round. Woohoo!
Touch the jewel and release the power within.
I see the emerald.
This device to teleport
See ya.
backwards.
I take orders from no one. I do as I decide.
If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe. Can also comment while you liking the video. Perfect.
Mr. President, we've received a report from the Central Information Agency. Our ground troops have successfully pushed back the black aliens from Westopolis. We've also managed to suppress enemy forces in 5 other cities. There's also reports that the CIA's mainframe has been compromised. We're investigating the incidents now. It is a strong possibility that this was also committed by the black aliens.
Tell the commanding generals that the United Federation will never surrender to terrorists.
Yes, Mr. President.
Yes, Mr. President. We're gonna survive.
This planet was once saved from tyranny and annihilation by you two heroes. Now mankind must protect this peace at all costs. We must stand united to defend our world against these invaders.
We will survive. Prison Island. Oh yeah. Where am I?
I wonder if there are any Chaos Emeralds around here.
Dead end.
What? That's right. I somehow escaped, but was then captured by those humans. But from where? And why?
From where and why? So, it's gonna be all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you all next time, and let's our legend continue.